In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle Bluetooth on or off in Windows 11. Fix today here? Let's begin. Start by going to your Windows 11 desktop. Then move to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click the network, volume, or battery icon to open the quick settings panel. Once the panel detail opens, look for the Bluetooth icon in the grid of buttons. Click the Bluetooth button to turn it on or off. When it's on, it will turn blue. When it's off, it will appear gray. Alternatively, you can control Bluetooth through the Settings app. Click the Start button on your taskbar, then select the Settings icon. Inside Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices from the left-hand sidebar. At the top of the page, you'll see a toggle switch for Bluetooth. Click it to turn Bluetooth on or off. If you want to connect a new device, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then click Add Device. You'll be asked to choose the type of device you want to connect, such as a phone, earbuds, controller, or other devices. From the options, select Bluetooth. Your computer will start scanning for nearby devices. Once your device appears in the list, click on it to begin connecting. Wait for the connection process to complete. If a PIN is required, make sure the code matches on both devices, then confirm it. In some cases, you may need to enter the PIN on the other device to finish pairing. Once connected, the device will appear in your Bluetooth devices list, and you can start using it immediately. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.